Hello everybody, welcome back. Iris Creative Hints here. I want to thank my all my subscribers for returning to this page. I really do appreciate it. I want to give a big welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining me in my small community. I do have another video that I'm going to download on Chanel cake that I made the shoe for. But I will be downloading that sometime this coming week. In the meantime, I wanted to share with you this awesome piece that I found. I actually went to the thrift store and I found this beautiful, it is a beautiful sign. You can see that it has the pretty candles and it has peace on earth, but I want to flip that over to something that we can use now for the coming summer, which I think we're all really looking forward to it. So I am going to paint over these. I'm going to paint over this, and then we're going to go ahead and move on from there. Well, let's try to remove this and see how that goes. Okay, so now you see, this is another sign that I actually got sometime back last year, and again in the thrift store. It was, if I could show you the ticket, it was $1, but I got it for 50 cents. And it's got a cute design that says, "Welcome, friend." So we're going to put these on our picture.